The next question that came in 2019 internal paper was factorize completely 5a squared plus 25a. Okay, so I'm going to write this expression down. So this is what students were asked to factorize completely. Okay, so I ask you viewers as well as students to pause this video and try to factorize this one and write your answers in the comment section. Okay, now I take it that you paused and you factorized. Now look at how this question is solved. Okay, so what we are going to do is the first thing we're going to do is we are going to focus only on numbers and forget about variables. Okay, so we are going to find the factor of 5 and 25. So the number that can go into 5 and 25, the greatest common factor. Okay, so it's 5 itself, so 5 can go into 5, so we're going to write 5 there because it can go into 5 and 25, so we're going to write it there. Okay, now let's look at variables. Which variables are found in both terms? So you find that a is found in both terms, so we're going also to write a. Okay, so that is the only variable which is involved in this expression. So what we're going to do is now we're going to open bracket. If there were even 25 was 25a squared, you could have also put the square on top of m. Okay, so now since it's not, then we're going to write 5a, then open bracket, then we say how many times can 5a go into 5a squared? It will go 8 times. Okay, or we can get 5a squared by multiplying 5a by a. Okay, then we're going to say how many times can 5a go into 25? It will go 5 times. It will go 5 times. So I'm going to say plus 5, and that is the last number. So we are going to close bracket, and that was the correct answer. So this was the correct answer for this question. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, so this is the third question that came in 2019 internal under algebraic expression, and the question was simplify 4x squared plus 2x minus x squared plus 3x. Okay, so this is the expression students were asked to simplify. Okay, so pause this video, try to simplify this expression. When you finish, write your answer in the comment section. Okay, then I'll take it that you paused and you tried maybe to simplify, or you simplified it correctly. Okay, so what we need to do now here is we need to put like terms together. So I'm going to write 4x squared, then I'm going to look at these other terms, searching for a term that has x squared. So we have minus x squared there, so it's going to be minus x squared, then plus 2x, then plus 3x at the end. Okay, now I'm going to add this one, so I'm going to subtract x squared from 4x squared, so which is going to give me 3x squared, then 2x plus 3x will give me 5x. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Okay, so this question came in 2018, and it was given that a is equal to 3 and b is equal to -1. Find the value of 5b squared minus 2ab. Okay, so given that a is equal to 3 and b is equal to -1, find the value of 2b squared minus 2ab. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this expression here and then give you time, viewers, to find the value of this expression. So pause this video find the value of this expression and then write the answer in the comment section. Okay, I'll presume that you pause the video and you have written the answers in the comment section. So now let's get started. Okay, so the value of this expression will be determined by replacing variables by their value in number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 5 there. Then once I write 5, then I'm going to find what is the value of 2, that is -1, which is I'm going to multiply 5 multiplied by -1 raised to the power 2, then minus 2. Then what's the value of a is 3, so 2 will be multiplied by 3 and then also multiplied by -1. Okay, now once we have done that, then now let's start working them out. So first of all, I'm going to write 5, then expand -1 squared, which is going to be -1 multiplied by -1, which will then we're going to subtract -2 multiplied by 3, which will give us 6, which will give us -6, which is -6, then multiplied by -1. Okay, once we do that, then we're going to multiply the numbers in the brackets. So I'm going to write 5, then multiply -1 multiplied by -1, which will give us +1. So we're going to multiply 5 by +1. Then -6 multiplied by -1 will give us +6. Okay, then once we have done that, we're going to say 5 multiplied by 1 will give us 5, then plus 6. Okay, then 5 plus 6 will give us 11. That was the correct answer. Okay, so 11 was the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. This is another question that came from algebraic expression. The question was factorize completely 10x squared plus 14a squared x. Factorize completely 10a squared plus 14a squared x. Okay, so I'm going to write this expression down here. This is the expression that students were supposed to factorize. So pause this video, factorize it, write your answer in the comment section. Okay, so take time. We are practicing on how to solve these questions, so you try your best to also work out before you see how it's done. Okay, so I presume that you took time, you paused the video and you factorized this question. Now let me also show you how it's supposed to be factorized. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to focus only on numbers. We'll ignore a bit the variables, that is a and x, so we'll ignore about them a bit. Okay, so now let's see what number can go into 10 and 14. What is the common factor, the greatest common factor of 10 and 14, or the highest factor of 10 and 14? So the number that can go into 10 and 14 is 2. Okay, that's the greatest factor. So we're going to write 2 there. Then what variable is found in in 10, this number, the first term, or in both terms? What variable, what letter is found in both terms? A is found in both terms, and x as well is found in both terms, so we can use that. Okay, as you can see in the first term where it's 10, there is x squared, but not a squared, so a are found in both, and a is found in both and x is found in both. So that is the factor that we can use. This number can go into both terms, 14 and 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask ourselves, how many times can 2ax go into 10? It will go 5x. Okay, 5x. So when you multiply 2ax by 5x, it will give you 10ax squared. Okay, so how many times can 2ax go into 14a squared x? It will go 7a times. Therefore, we have factorized this expression. Okay, that's how we factorize this expression. Let's go to the next question. Okay, so this is the question that came in 2018. It was simplify 8y minus 5 minus 3y plus 2. Okay, so students were asked to simplify this expression. So pause this video, try to simplify this one, and the answer you get, please remember to write it in the comment section. I'll be also commenting back. Yeah, I'm going to be replying to your comments, so please make sure you comment in the comment section. Okay, I presume that you pause the video and then you have tried to simplify it. So now let me show you how it should be done. So what we're going to do is we're going to put like terms together. So I'm going to write 8y, then look for another term that has y, which is minus 3y or negative 3y, which I'm going to say minus 3y, then minus 5 plus 2. Okay, then I'm going to work out this one first. 8y minus 3y will give us 5y. Then negative 5 plus 2 will give us negative 3. So negative 5y minus 3 was the correct answer. So basically this is how you simplify expression like this one. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, so this question was coming from 2017 internal paper. The question was factorize completely 12a squared b minus 4a b squared. Okay, so I'm going to write this expression we are supposed to factorize down here. Okay, so this is the expression we are supposed to factorize. So I urge you viewers to pause the video, factorize it, write your answer in the comment section. Okay. Alright, I'll take it that you people have paused the video and you have worked out the problem. Now let me demonstrate how it should be done. So the first thing, we need to identify the factor of 12 and 4. We ignore we ignore the variables a and b, we ignore them a bit. We just look at the numbers, that is 12 and 4. Okay, so what number can go into 12 and 4? Okay, 4 itself can go into both numbers and it's the highest common factor. Okay, so we're going to use 4, which I'm going to write there. Then we are going to ask ourselves to say what variables are found in both terms. So you can see a is found in the first term and the second term, so we are going to write a. Then as well as b is also found in both, then we'll write b as well. Once you have done that, then we're going to open bracket, then we're going to say 4ab into 12a squared b. It will go 3a times. Okay, to go 3a times, then which is going to be minus, then which is going to be minus, yes, then we're going to say 4ab into 4ab squared. It will go b squared, b times, not b squared but b times. Then we're going to close bracket. Then we have factorized this expression. So this is how you do it in an exam, and check whether the answer you got, which you wrote in the comment section, is the same as this one. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, given that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 1, find the value of 2x squared minus 3xy. Okay, so students are asked to find this expression, which is 2x squared minus 3xy. Okay, so pause this video, try to find the value of this expression, taking in consideration that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 1. Okay, so I'll take it that you paused the video and you found the value of this expression. So now let me show you how it should be done. Okay, So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the letters by their values. So we're going to write 2 down there. Then what is x? X we are told is 3, so we're going to multiply 2 by 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, then we are going to say minus 3, then multiplied by the value of x is 3 and the value of y is -1. Okay, once we have done that, then what we're going to do is now we are going to work out this. So we're going to write 2, then expand 3 raised to the power 2, which is going to be 3 by 3, then minus 3, then multiplied 3 multiplied by -1 will give us 3 multiplied by -1 will give us -3. Okay, now we are going to write 2, then we multiply 3 by 3 will give us 9, then minus -3 multiplied by -3 will give us +9, then we are going to multiply 2 multiplied by 9 will give us 18, then plus 9, then we add 18 plus 9 will give us 27. So 27 was the correct answer for this question. Let's go to the next question.